sponsor, JMW Motorsports Incorporated. We sanction and run the Cal RC Demoo Derby across the nation. We're now 15 chapters strong in 12 states. This right here is pretty much what it's all about. Mounts to your standard two-wheel drive traction slash vehicle, rustler, or anything comparable. Bodies are made from a 0.24 gauge aluminum coil stock, obtainable at most any hardware stores and so forth. And everything we do out here, you pretty much can get it from the hardware store, except for the truck itself. You might have to go to JMW online. You can buy your body kit. You can buy a whole kit, car and body. The Derby started up in 2013 at JMW Motorsports Park. We rapidly expanded in 2015 across the nation and are now running in real Derby events such as Blizzard Bash in Kansas, Bash for Cash in Ohio, and expected to be invited to many more events. This is our first year at Motorama, and we seem to be generating quite a bit of excitement here. To give a little more details on this, the Derby runs all around the nation. The national events are held at the regular big derbies with huge cash prizes. Okay, I'm standing in one of our Derby rinks right now. Our Derby rinks range in size from 20 by 20 down to 12 by 12. It depends on how many entries we have or the event we're going to, and expecting anywhere from 10 cars up to 100 entries at times at our bigger events. And running in the Derby, like a packed dirt surface with a little loose on top. We like to save the axles in the car. If it's like concrete, we're busting axles. Right here at Motorama, they have been fantastic. They had us a great setup. All we did was bring our rink in, and they've taken care of us from there. We line the cars up against the wall. Front end against the wall, green flag drops. Everybody's screaming for the center of the rink. That's when the metal starts bending and flying. Now we do have the time limits of 10 minutes. Once 10 minutes is out, there are no more assists. You're on your own. It becomes the last man standing at that point. When we're in the mains and running, the time limits are a little bit longer and the bashing is a little bit harder because people are going for that cash prize. And we only allow 2 assists during a main event.